Yes. There's two cars. I think one standing there. Hey, how are you? Your car? Yeah. Hey, get out! Get out! What the fuck are you guys doing here? Take it along. We know. 50, 60. Why you run? 50, 60, motherfucker. This isn't 50, 60. You piece of shit. 40 fucking kilometers on this fucking. This is not 50, 60. We have on camera. I got fucking recording as well. You too. Shut up. Stay right here. Looks like fucking 70. No man, you fucking piece of shit.
वीडियो होगी
पहले इधर मार के उधर बजी है
30 minutes आहो वो भी भरावा टेढ़ी होगी
A wild scene that occurred in Surrey, British Columbia, Canada. As you just saw, the Honda Civic made an illegal U-turn and was T-boned by a Dodge Challenger that was speeding excessively through a residential area. Family members from the Civic then confront the driver of the Dodge and were irate about how fast he was driving. The news report says the crash sent 2 people that were in the Civic to hospital, but thankfully it sounds like everyone will be okay. The RCMP also said that both drivers are at fault and may be charged. Sergeant Tammy Lobb said Surrey RCMP is aware of a video circulating on social media, and although we cannot speak to the video, we can confirm that both drivers are being investigated for possible infractions. The article goes on to say a woman and child in the Honda were taken to hospital with the child sustaining non-life-threatening injuries. The adult male and a passenger in the Dodge were uninjured. 3 ambulances from BC Emergency Health Services were dispatched just before 4 p.m. Saturday, and paramedics took 2 patients to hospital, said spokesperson Rachel Bone. Impairment has been ruled out, added RCMP Sergeant Tammy Lobb. Now, after seeing the video, let me know in the comments who you think is more at fault, the Civic that pulled the U-turn or the Dodge that was speeding excessively. Was the family justified to get mad at the driver of the Dodge Charger? Let me know in the comment section below, and please make sure to subscribe for a lot more driving videos in Canada. Thanks for watching.